Hey guys, welcome back. We're on question number 23 here. It says in the figure below, E is on line CA and the measures of angle BED and angle AEB are 90 degrees and 145 degrees respectively. If it can be determined, what is the measure of angle CED? All right, go ahead and pause the video now to work this problem. All right, so here's what I'm going to tell you about these geometry problems. They love to get all wordy and then they have a picture, right? Well, if the stuff in the wordy part is already given to you in the picture, then you don't need to even worry about it. Let's read through this. It says in the figure below, E is on line CA. Here's line CA. Isn't it pretty obvious that E is on that line? Like it it seems very obvious to me. So I'm not even going to worry about that sentence. It says, and the measures of BED and AEB are 90 and 145. Well, you see how this is labeled 45 and this has a right degree symbol that shows me it's 90 degrees? Those are obvious from the picture. Like I don't need to read those and think about what they mean. My picture shows me that stuff. So really, if it can be determined, well, that's probably not your answer choice. It does sometimes work, but almost always it's not going to be our answer choice. But we'll keep it for just good measure. Really, this question could have just said, number 23, what is the measure of angle CED? And you would not have needed to know all that other stuff. So don't get lost in that, okay? Don't get lost in all that math jargon, blah, 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 blah. If it's in your picture, if it's a geometry problem, they give you a picture. Most of the times that information is in the picture. If it's not, I would label it. If this 90-degree symbol wasn't there, I would go ahead and notate that. I would mark that as 90 degrees. If it didn't show that that angle was 145, I would write 145 in there, okay? Make sure you're drawing on your pictures when you're working geometry problems. It's really, really, really important. All right, so here we go. Looking for the measure of angle CED. Well, CED is this angle right here. It's the one with the question mark. So first thing I would do is just look and try to make connections here with what you see. If this is 145, I can find the measure of that angle right there because they form a straight line together. And we know that a straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay, it makes a straight line, it's a straight angle. So that means that this angle that I've marked here plus 145 degrees equals 180. If I take away 145 from both sides of this equation, I'm gonna get 35 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and show that on my picture here, 35 degrees. Now all I need to know is that these two angles, right, the one I'm looking for and the one I just found have to add to be 90. So 35 plus x equals 90. So basically, you know, these two angles add to 90. You've already used up 35. How much is left? 55 degrees. So answer choice C is our answer. Pretty straightforward there. We're utilizing the fact that two angles that add to be 90, you just subtract one from the 90 to get the other, or two angles that add to be 180, you subtract the one from the other to get the other. So pretty straightforward geometry problem there. And so there you go. Answer choice C is a correct answer. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website anytime at tutoring-solutions.com. Thanks again, guys.